in front of the newest single-story home in the Highland Reserve neighborhood. Yeah, it's close to Topgolf. Yeah, it's close to parks and top-rated schools. Yeah, it's easy access to the freeway, and it's single-story, and it has 4 bedrooms, and it's upgraded, and the kitchen is beautiful. Yes, all of those things, but the magic happens in the backyard. The sun's about to go down, but the lights are gonna come on, and you're gonna see just how amazing and spectacular this beautiful premier pool is, and the backyard is to die for. I can't wait for you to see it. I'm so excited. Come check it out. We're at 745 Arabesque Circle in Roseville.